Yo, long hair. El Rubio here. After the rope, the angler, the brave, the split tail, the Willie Nelson, the aperitif, and the Viking, you thought we were fresh out of braid tutorials. But the punishing arm and shoulder workouts have just begun. You also never thought you'd be able to Dutch braid your hair, but you can and you will, because I'm going to show you how, and it's going to be sick. What is a Dutch braid? A Dutch braid is essentially an inside-out or reverse French braid, where instead of the individual strands of hair passing over each other, they pass under each other. It gives a unique, stylish, 3D appearance that really pops. You can always have someone else braid your hair, but there's a certain satisfaction that comes with braiding your own hair, like a skilled artist perfecting a work of art. And when you pull this one off, it's going to be impressive. That being said, you don't need to be a hair expert, but there's a few things every guy with long hair needs to know. Get the basics with quick tips, a collection of long hair fundamentals from me and the guys here at the Longhairs that is going to give you the knowledge and the confidence that you're going to need on your hair journey. Get quick tips at the link in the description below. Now, with a crisp salute to Major Dutch Schaefer. What's the matter? The CIA got you pushing too many pencils? Here's how to Dutch braid your hair, and we like to call this one the Hague.
I'm going to start with a dash of Instant Freshies dry shampoo on my fingers. It helps the hair slide smoothly, like a high-stakes game of 8-ball. I'll be honest, I haven't shampooed for a week. Oily hair is just a little easier to braid because the sections hold together better. I won't be judged for it. I'll gather a small front section of hair to start the braid, using my index fingers to separate the section, or you can use your thumbs. Brush it out to get nice, clean separation. I'm going to split this front section into 3 strands with a peace sign. Work all 3 strands into one hand. I go pinky finger, middle finger, index finger. The skill here is just holding all 3 strands in one hand and being able to transfer them back and forth from hand to hand. I'm going to start braiding without adding any new hair. And remember, the difference between a Dutch braid and a French braid is overlapping the strands under each other instead of over each other. It's basically an inside-out braid. After the first few turns, I'll start adding hair. I'll use my thumb to grab a new section and join it with the nearest strand I'm holding with my index finger. Then clear out the excess hair. After I get everything straightened out, I'm going to reach my middle finger underneath the top strand, grab the newly joined strand, and pull it through to the center. Just readjust here, keep everything tight. Now, same thing on the other side. I'll use my thumb to grab a new section of hair, then join it to the nearest strand I'm holding with my index finger. I get that all nice and tightly joined together, keeping some nice tension all the way around. I reach under and through with my middle finger and pull that newly joined strand to the center. And readjust. Another time through. Grab a new section, join it to the nearest strand, pull the newly joined strand into the center. I'm going to continue adding new sections until I'm out of hair. focusing on keeping all the strands together, joining the new sections nice and clean, keeping light, even tension on all the strands. Okay, I'm out of new hair. I'm starting to feel Dutch. I'll continue the rest of the braid from here. I'll be honest, still tricky going underneath. Close your eyes. Focus. Finally, when I've got a good grasp on all three sections in one hand, I'll bring it around to the front. At this point, I'm holding on for dear life. I don't even know what I'm doing here. I must have blacked out. Reach for the brush. There we go. We're stable. From the front, still using the middle finger reach under, pull it through technique. Looks complex. There's got to be a better way. I don't know. I'm locked in at this point, not veering off the path. Back to the brush. Gives me courage. Focus. Almost there. Cannot blow it now. Hang on. Twist it through. Hold it. Hold it. Grab that son of a bitch and tie it off. Whew! Thank God. Finish it off with a little marine layer sea salt spray. A few blasts of ocean spray for light hold. Take a few passes with the comb. Shoot. Get your fingers in that salty spray. Tamp down any stragglers or flyaways. Finish her off.
That is how you Dutch braid your own hair, and no one's gonna believe that you did it yourself, but you're gonna tell them that you followed the Longhairs and you know all the dope shit about hair. Hey, if you think the braid is sick, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to opt in for quick tips below. That does it for the Dutch braid tutorial. Until next time, boys, twist up those locks and keep letting it ride.
Shut up.